Hello friends, welcome to all in my educational channel Education and Motivation. In the previous video we had seen the information about indefinite articles, that is about a and an, and now today we are going to learn about the definite article, that is nothing but the, in part 2. So let us start. Are you ready guys? Okay, look here, we are going to focus on the definite article the. Look here, just one sentence. He saw the musician. It means the is used here. It means that some particular musician is there, therefore the is used. The is called as definite article because it points out, normally it points out the definite person or thing. Okay, it points out the definite or certain or particular person or thing, therefore the is called as definite article. Okay, now look here, in this video we will see in detail the uses of the. Look here, use of definite article, where the is used. The is used before unique things or universal truth. There are a lot of unique things in the universe, we all know that. Look here, the earth. Earth, the spelling of earth is starting from E, but we are not going to use here an. Okay, why? Because it is a unique thing, therefore we are going to use here the earth, the sun, the moon, the sky, the south pole, the north pole. Okay, so before universal truth or unique things we are going to use the. Second, before superlatives. We all know that superlatives, degree, positive, comparative, superlative. For example, good, better, best. Best is superlative, therefore the best book. Tall, taller, tallest. Tallest is the superlative word, therefore we are going to use the before it. The tallest mountain peak. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain peak in the world, so the is used. So before superlatives also we are going to use the. Next one, look here, before the names of certain books. Certain books are there, holy books, the Ramayana, the Vedas, the Mahabharata, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible. Before all these books, certain books, we are going to use the. Remember it. Okay, next one, to tell the citizenship of a country. We are citizens of India, therefore we are the Indian, the American, the Japanese, the Chinese, etc. Okay, before, to tell the citizenship of a country, at that time we are going to use the before that word, the Indian, the American, the Japanese, the Russian, like that. Okay, next one, look here, before the nouns of following places. Look here, before the rivers, names of rivers, the Sindhu, the Amazon, the Godavari, the Nile, the Tapi, like that. Before the names of rivers we are going to use the. Before the names of canals, the Panama, the Suez Canal, world famous canals are these, the Panama, the Suez Canal. Okay, before the names of oceans, we all know the names of oceans, the Pacific, the Hindi, the Atlantic, etc. Before the names of deserts, there are a lot of deserts in the world, the Sahara, the Thar, the Kalahari, etc. Okay, before the names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Rocky, these are the mountain ranges. So before mountain ranges also we are going to use the here. Okay, group of islands, the West Indies. It is a group of islands, lot of islands together called as the West Indies, the West Indies. Okay, next one, before the names of countries having a republic and kingdom words in their names. If there are names republic and kingdom, in the names of those countries. At that time we are going to use the. For example, the United Kingdom. Kingdom word is here, therefore we are going to use the United Kingdom. The Czech Republic, it is a name of a country, but if there is a republic or kingdom in the name of those countries, at that time we are going to use the before it. The United Kingdom, the Czech Republic, etc. Next one, before ordinals. Do you know ordinals? Ordinals and cardinals numbers are there. We say 1, that is 1 is a numeral or cardinal number, but 1 ordinal is first. Okay, 1 first, 2 second, 3 third. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, these are called ordinals. Look here, before ordinals we are going to use the. The 8th of March is celebrated as an International Women's Day. So we are going to use here the. The is used here. 8th, this is ordinal. 8th is ordinal. Therefore, we are using the before it. Understand? Second example of ordinal. The second opinion is always useful. The second opinion is always useful. Second, this word is also ordinal. Therefore, we are going to use the before it. Okay, understand? Before ordinals also we have to use the. Next, before the names of musical instruments. She can play the violin. Before the names of musical instruments. Hari bought the tabla. These are the names of musical instruments. So before these musical instruments also we are going to use the. Before the names of directions, the east, the west, the northeast, the south, the southeast, the southwest, like that. Okay, before the names of direction also we are going to use the before it. Before a singular noun is meant to present a whole class. Look here, example. The dog is an honest animal. Here dog comes in this sentence with which purpose? Here this dog is representing the whole class. So the dog is an honest animal. Okay, here dog is representing its whole class, so we are saying the dog. Understand? Next, the ox is a useful animal for farmers. Here also ox is representing the whole class of it. Representing the whole class. So the ox is a useful animal for farmers. It depends upon the sentence. If that specific noun is meant to represent the whole class, at that time only we are going to use the before it. Okay. Next, before the names of railways and ships. For example, the KK Express, we all know that. Bangalore, Karnataka, New Delhi Express is called the KK Express. It is a name of a railway, the KK Express, the Lokmanya Tilak Express. Okay, like that. The Virat, it is a name of a ship. The Titanic, like that. Before the names of railways and ships, we are going to use the. Before the names of newspapers, the Hindu, the Indian Express, the Daily Mirror, the Dawn. The Dawn is a newspaper of Pakistan. The Hindu, very important and leading newspaper in India. The Hindu, the Indian Express. So before the names of newspapers we are going to use the. Okay, look, next, look here. If the is used before an adjective, then that adjective is used as a noun. Look here. If the is used before an adjective, look here. Rich, it is generally an adjective, but when the is used before it, it means that this word is not an adjective, it is used as a noun, okay. The rich, the poor, like that. The rich may be generous, okay, like that. Here the reach is used as a noun, so the is used here. And the last but not the least rule is here, the names of banks, those not starting with personal names, those banks not starting with personal names or government sectors or businesses, before these we are going to use the. For example, the Reserve Bank, it is a bank of banks, it is called as Bank of Banks, the Reserve Bank. The State Bank of India, the is used. The Ministry of HRD, Human Resource and Development Ministry, the, it is a government sector, therefore the Ministry of HRD, the is used. Okay, so that's it for now. Please like this video. I hope you will like this video. Please like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get more and more good interesting videos of English grammar. So that's all for now. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.